यू नो पैसा अगर आप फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट है ना तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी जिंदगी की आधी से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती है विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स। इफ यू आर फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, आधे से ज्यादा आपकी लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम्स सॉर्टेड, राइट? सो फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस इज कंपल्सरी फॉर एवरीवन। सी मतलब एक होर ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਗੱਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ ਇੰਡੀਪੈਂਡੈਂਟ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਐਰੋਗੈਂਟ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਸੈਲਫਿਸ਼ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਤਲਬ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਫॉर आवरसेल्फ। no, not at all here। मतलब through your like through you I just want to convey this message to other women also कि it's not like that कि you are selfish, you are working for yourself।
ਤਾਂ ਮੈਮ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ ਇੰਡੀਪੈਂਡੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਨਸੀਕੁਐਂਸਸ ਕੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ?
very dangerous, horrible consequences, right? मैं पहले भी दसिया है कि they always stay stuck in toxic relationships। just look at around you in our society, you will find many females, many women, many wives, they are in toxic relationship। मार कुटाई, मार पिटाई, पैसा नहीं देना, घर नहीं चलाना, right? So like this मतलब problems are going on, but those women who are not financially independent, not working, not earning, they are not able to take decision, they are not able to walk away when they need to be, right? Actually they want to but they can't because they are financially independent नहीं है। so problem है कि नहीं है, right? You want to build something for yourself, then no money, nothing, you can't do anything। if you want to create something for your kids, again the money is a question mark। समझ रहे हो ना? कोई भी एक सेक्टर, just think for a minute, 2 minutes, tell me any sector where money is not required, where you feel counter with my statement। you can't make your decisions, you can't speak, you can't follow your dreams, you can't follow your purpose, passion, nothing, or always asking for with this you are losing your voice, you are losing your self respect, you are losing your identity। this is true for every woman। again आप मानो या ना मानो, truth is truth। if you are not following your purpose, you are not following your passion, then obviously you are irritating in your life, you are not happy at all।
ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਝ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ 'ਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵੈਲਦੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ, ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵੈਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਇਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
obviously according to me ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ। ਦੇਖੋ, if you are blessed, if you feel कि you have each and everything, you are enjoying your life, you are asking for this much, you are getting this much, this is your blessing, then इसका इनडायरेक्ट मीनिंग है कि यू हैव सम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुवर्ड्स द सोसाइटी। यू नीड टू कम फॉरवर्ड, you need to come forward means you need to come forward to help them, to assist them, and it is only and only possible if you are financially independent, you are financially worth, then you can do, right? because if you are financially independent, you can take your own decisions, you can help somebody in the society who needs you, requirement है जिसकी। if you are not financially independent, even then in healthy wealthy family you can't speak, automatically you lose your voice, right? अमीर से मांगना भी मांगना है, गरीब से मांगना भी मांगना है, मांगना तो मांगना ही रहेगा, right? so again the same scenario, little bit difference only। in that case you have a security only, right? if you have security for yourself, then you can do something else for the society, right? you can follow your passion, you can follow your purpose, and you just create an impact in the society, you can give guidance to the society, you can turn your voice into income, and you can help others, right? so you need to dive deep into this। always remember your security is your financial independence। financial independence के साथ ना एक और चीज बहुत मतलब अटैच्ड है, हाउ, कैसे, क्या करें? हर किसी को जॉब ही करनी होती है क्या पैसा कमाने के लिए? not at all। you can work on your skills। I just help young people to find out their skills, I just guide them how they can find out their skills, how they can like train their skills, how they monetize their skills. But to start with this journey, it's your choice. It's your call. I'm always ready to serve the society. From last 20 years, I'm doing this same job. Like with the financial independence, I feel every woman becomes the queen of their own life.
Right.
Princess in their own life. Means financially free होना बहुत जरूरी है. नीड भी है, मजा भी इसी में है, सक्सेस भी इसी में है,
बिल्कुल
राइट? और इसी में ही कंप्लीशन है. अगर ये नहीं है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? सो I just support it. I work for it. So Daljit, there is a step-by-step journey where I help the women like you, right? In identification of their skills, training of their skills. Without any fear, they can build their own coaching and training business. They just turn their voice into income. They're just creating a money by using their speaking skills, their teaching skills, their like any other skill even. So like these females can become financially independent very easily without losing their values, without any sacrifice.
right.
So this is very easy platform, but we need to learn how to show up on this platform,
बिल्कुल
right? I hope you just got my idea and all that. So thank you very much, Daljit.
Thank you
All
so
the
much.
best.
ਮੈਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਏਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ
Most
ਰਹਾਂਗੀ।
welcome, most welcome. Yes.